on number 19, I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides, and I'm doing this because now I can bring down the exponent to the main level. And I'm going to put a parentheses around the x minus 3 and bring that down with the parentheses. Okay, so I'm trying to solve for x. Next I'm going to divide both sides by this log of 5. So that's just going to leave the x minus 3, and I have log of 137 over log of 5. Now, if you want to put your parentheses here, you can. You don't have to. Also on the left, we actually don't need those parentheses anymore. And I'm still trying to solve for x, so I want to add 3 to both sides. So x is equal to 3 plus log of 137 over log of 5. So this will be my exact answer. And then to get the decimal approximation, I want to type this into the calculator. And x is approximately 6.057.